brakes worked fine, so he continued on. Then the train stops again at Summit, California to wait for a signal. Once again, the brakes worked. After being cleared at 3:40 a.m., they descended toward Cajon Pass. As they began to go down, the engineer initiates the dynamic brakes on 157, but instead of slowing the train down, the train instead accelerates. The engineer then hits the air brakes into full emergency, but to his horror, the speedometer ominously creeped up to 45 miles an hour. There was nothing more the crew could do to save their train. The conductor and brakeman bail out from 157, but the engineer stayed with his locomotives like a captain of a sinking ship, hoping to ride it out. In a last-ditch effort, he throws the engines into reverse, but then he felt 157 start to lean to the right on a sharp curve